how did you just not feel?
Well, good evening everyone, and thank you very much for being present here. It means a lot to us and our film, and all the encouragement and support that you give is very encouraging. Thank you. Now coming back to your question, you know, as actors we tend to shoot in extreme conditions, you know, sometimes very hot, sometimes it's very cold. So when we're involved in our work, we kind of really don't give too much of thought. When I did a film called Maatule Salam, also I was shooting in like minus like 5 degrees and all that. But this time, it was what, how much?
Minus 10, 12.
Minus 10 and 12, which I was not even used to. And then there was this wind chill factor, but जब आप scene में involved होते हैं, तो आपको पता नहीं कहाँ से गर्मी आ जाती है. So मेरे में भी कहीं, I mean, temperature I felt like I was like, I think Manjari आपके साथ था scene. I almost started getting hot in any case. So it was like that, you know. So once you're involved, then it really doesn't matter what the temperature is. So it was a good experience, though.
Awesome.
We shot in some beautiful locations, and we shot in America. The film is so beautiful in the way it's been shot, and the locations and all are so wonderful. It's really a privilege to be a part of this film.
Which is your favorite location?
Well, we shot in Maryland, you know, so we shot in some really good location. We shot in Washington, D.C. So we we shot over there. So it was very nice, yeah, lovely.
Awesome. So the next question is for Prem sir. Sir, what was the best part about playing your own character, which is Shaukat Ali Mirza Qawwali wale?
रांची वाले।
जाहिर बात यह है कि आप सब लोग जानते हैं मैं कितना शरीफ आदमी हूँ। तो अभी तो वो रोल तो नहीं कर रहा, अभी ऐसे ही मिर्जा साहब कभी चाचा जान, कभी दादा जान, कभी पिताजी, ऐसे रोल करता हूँ। बड़ा अच्छा है, बड़ा अच्छा लगा ये रोल करते हुए। Done very well, written very well by Keshav, and Keshav is a very innovative director, very hard-working, and he gave some excellent scenes and shots, which I was very pleased to see that, because his idea is very different than most of the film directors here in this country. So hopefully with your cooperation, this picture will succeed, and I wish the entire thing very much. The financier of the film, she has also done a very great job in organizing things, and everything is gone on a beautiful manner. Thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you, sir. So Himansh, why so much of a gap after Yanya? What took you so long to come back when girls are dying to see you on screen?
Were you waiting for me?
Kind of.
So, thank you so much.
Many other girls, yeah.
तो आते रहना पड़ेगा फिर।
Definitely.
After Yanya, actually, things were going really good, and people were really appreciating. Everybody was really appreciating. My songs were everywhere. I think अभी तक बज रहे हैं जगह। ग्लो है पानी पानी पता नहीं, I think हम लोगों ने सबको finally बताई थी कि पानी गर्म ग्लो होता है। But after that, for all the movies I was approached, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा मैं हीरो बनने आया हूँ, लेकिन सब वो मास्टर बनाने में आ गया मेरे को। स्कूल कैरेक्टर्स, more of school, and कॉलेज भी I think बहुत मुश्किल देख रहा था, it was only school. So I asked my director, producers and all my friends that what should I do next? So they were like, I think यार अभी तू बहुत छोटा लग रहा है, तो एक आध 1.5 साल में कुछ गैप ले, थोड़ा बॉडी बना and groom yourself and कुछ different देखा. So I think 1.5 years later you see वहाँ पे भी और यहाँ पे भी कुछ लग रहा है तो बता देना difference.
Thank you so much. Ashutosh sir, what made you take up this role when you are so choosy about your movies? Just to see you on screen. So why this movie?
देखिए होता ये है कि हर माँ अपने बच्चे को राजा बेटा कहती है, और जब किसी फिल्म में आपको राजा बनने की नौबत आ जाए तो आप तुरंत उसको स्वीकार कर लेते हैं। So I'm playing a role of a Prince of Mewar.
Wow.
तो ये और लोग पैसे देके राजा बनते हैं, इसमें मुझे राजा बनने के लिए पैसे दिए गए हैं पूर्णिमा जी और केशव के द्वारा। लेकिन जिस तरह से केशव जब आए थे इस स्क्रिप्ट को लेकर और इन्होंने जो नरेशन दिया था, और इनके हाथ में स्क्रिप्ट नहीं थी, लेकिन जिस तफसील के साथ और जिस बारीकी के साथ उन्होंने पूरी की पूरी फिल्म शुरू से लेके अंत तक और सुनाई, और मुझे लगा कि ये एक अद्भुत सुलझा हुआ व्यक्ति है जिसको अपनी स्क्रिप्ट के बारे में, अपने किरदारों के बारे में पूरा का पूरा यहाँ पे भी क्लियर है और कागज के ऊपर भी क्लियर है। और मैंने अभी तक कभी इस किस्म का कोई किरदार नहीं किया था, जो अक्सर मुझे, मैं भाग्यशाली हूँ कि चुनौतीपूर्ण और बड़े चैलेंजिंग और ग्रे शेड के किरदार मिलते रहे हैं, या ये कहें कि नेगेटिव रोल्स को हमने बहुत पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड के साथ किया है, इसलिए उसका एप्रिसिएशन भी मिलता रहा है। लेकिन इस किस्म का किरदार कभी हमारे हिस्से में आया नहीं था, और हमें लगा कि विक्रम प्रताप सिंह अगर कोई हो सकता है और वो एक ही होता है और वो हम हैं, तो ये कर लिया गया।
बेशक सर, थैंक यू सो मच। Manjri,
Yes.
I have one personal question, then we'll ask the other one. You're one of those very few actresses to shoot next to White House, and I would have been extremely intimidated if I was there. Were you?
I think more than me, the police out there was intimidated by my presence out there because they were like, I know what this girl's going to do. I don't know what she's going to do. So they just kicked me out from there. That's what happened.
Okay, and what was the hardest part about playing Alia? You obviously can't reveal much, but some challenge that you faced because you were playing Alia.
I think Alia by far is the most difficult role I have played till now, and I've worked very, very hard on this. So I mean, like you'll watch it in the film. I hope it's come out really nice the way I've done it. But it was difficult, especially because she didn't have a particular character throughout the film. The whole film, she is switching from, there's some change that's happening. Like in everybody's life, when you are growing up as a teenager, and then when you keep growing up, like you have so many lessons you learn in life, and that changes you as a person at every step as a person. So there's a little graph, there's a huge graph in the character which keeps going up and down. So so that's why it was very difficult.
Awesome. So Purnima ji, despite being right from the heart of Hollywood, what made you produce a Bollywood movie? Because you're very close to LA and Hollywood projects, and I know everything. So why Bollywood and why Jeena Isi Ka Naam Hai?
That's a very good question, because I am an Indian from my birth, but if you really want to bring out emotions and if you really want to bring out character, I think a Bollywood movie are the best movies. They really can pull out the character in a person.
Yeah.
Kind of, Mr. Frenchie. Yeah, so even if you have, writing a story is something, but when you enact that same character, I would any day hang my hat on a Bollywood movie, because in that 2.5 hours, you have basically traveled so your characters that you have lived, I think, every part of your life in those 2.5 hours, if the movie is still 2.5 hours nowadays. That's the reason why I said if I have to do anything, then I would like to tap on this Bollywood market, because people here know how to express. People here know how to express their sorrow, their joy, and their fear, their emotions. So that was the main reason, and I think I'm very happy.
You chose Jeena Isi Ka Naam.
Correct.
Thank you so much. Can we have the mic for Stanton now? Stanton, your love for India is pretty evident, but your love for Bollywood isn't. So have you seen Bollywood movies, or is it your first ever venture in a Bollywood movie behind the scenes off front?
We watch Bollywood films all the time.
Which is your favorite?
This one.
Ah, that's a good one.
It's increased my reading skills, because I have to read the subtitles.
Yeah, you need something.
Unfortunately, I miss a little bit of the storyline because I'm reading, but all in all, I've really appreciated Bollywood films for love stories, things like that.
Done the same.
And we gather together as family and watch a lot of movies together with the brothers and sisters. And love it.
Thank you. So guys, now you can take over and whatever questions you want to ask, just raise your hand and you get the mic and then we can take it further. Anybody?
हमारे डायरेक्टर कुछ कहना चाहेंगे होल्ड ऑन
थैंक यू। मैं भाई और हूँ, अभी मैं क्या बोलूँ क्या ना बोलूँ मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, बट आई लाइक टू थैंक माई एंटायर क्रू, माई कास्ट, प्रभास सर, आशुतोष जी और प्रेम चोपड़ा सर. It was looking very difficult when we were initially looking for the casting and everything. तो मैंने सोचा था कि क्या करें, but I thought कि let's try. तो प्रभास सर से पहले मुलाकात हुई. I was very much nervous कि क्या बात होगी क्या नहीं होगी, what will he say. And then पॉजिटिव रिप्लाई मिला तो मुझे और इनकरेजमेंट मिला, तो मैं थोड़ा और बदमाश हूँ, मैंने कहा और मैं आगे ट्राई करता हूँ. उसी तरह से आशुतोष सर, प्रेम सर के पास जाते हुए तो मैं खुद इतना घबराया हुआ था कि मैं क्या बोलूँगा, कैसे समझाऊंगा. लेकिन आई एम थैंकफुल, मेरी स्टार कास्ट ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है फिल्म के अंदर. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद परफॉर्मेंसेस, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद द काइंड ऑफ कैनवास दैट वी वांटेड टू क्रिएट. सो ऐसा नहीं लगता फिल्म को देख के कि आप यू फील दैट यू आर इन सम अदर वर्ल्ड. हर एक जगह पर, हर एक लोकेशंस पे, हर एक चीज पर हमने बहुत मेहनत की है फिल्म के अंदर. इट्स लाइक 30-35% VFX है, CG है, एनिमेशंस हैं और म्यूजिक है. इट्स लाइक इट्स सागा फिल्म, इट्स अ बिग फिल्म, बिग कैनवास फिल्म. तो चूंकि हम पहली बार बना रहे हैं, लेकिन आपको देख के लगेगा कि कोई बहुत एक अच्छी फिल्म आपको देखने को मिलेगी कुछ ही दिनों में. और मेरे पास अभी वर्ड्स नहीं है, but I'm very thankful to all of you. You came here to encourage us. Thank you very much, my star cast, Arbaaz sir, Ashutosh ji, everybody. Thank you very much. ज़्यादा बोलूँगा तो फिल्म के ऊपर रिवील हो जाएगा, इसलिए मैं चुप्पी करके I'll hand over to you if you want to ask anything.
Thank you, sir.